How to hide kitchen vent pipe? If you are about to remodel your kitchen, you may wonder what to do with the ugly vent pipe in the ceiling. You can see several options available when it comes to hiding the vent pipe in your kitchen. You may enhance your kitchen's beauty while improving the pipe's appearance if you choose one of these approaches. False wall. A fake wall is the most cost-effective alternative, and it is made up of two pieces of wood hinged together at one end. After that, you can cut a hole in the wall large enough to accept the vent pipe and then use the hinges to keep the wall in place. Although costlier, the ventilation window gives you a clear view of the outdoors without requiring you to break down any of your walls. You may construct this kind of window out of either glass or plastic, and it has an aperture that is sufficiently big to accommodate your ventilation pipe. However, you need to take measurements of the size of your window before buying it to determine the quantity of the material you will need to complete the project. Soffits and columns. Utilizing soffits or columns are the two primary methods you can use to hide a kitchen vent pipe. Soffits are the most straightforward solution, and they are often the superior choice if the homeowner themselves can install them. After cutting a hole in your roof line, you simply screw or weld a metal soffit over the pipe that protrudes through the opening. Due to this, it will be impossible for anybody to see it from inside your home. Columns are a little more complicated, but they may also be an excellent alternative if you don't have the time or the motivation to undertake DIY work on your own home. To summarize, you start by constructing a row of columns out of PVC pipes, and then you connect those columns to the side of your home next to the exhaust vent for the kitchen. 4 cabinets. Put in 4 cabinet fronts to hide the vent pipe in the kitchen. This method is simple and fast for hiding the ventilation pipe from public view. You can discover a fake cabinet front that satisfies your requirements since many design options are accessible. Be careful to measure and consider the gap between the wall and the vent pipe before beginning the installation of the fake cabinet front. Shelving units. You can easily hide the vent pipe in your kitchen under shelving units, which will also help improve your kitchen's aesthetics. Not only that, but you can also put things in them to keep them out of the way. Shelves are an excellent alternative for you to consider, regardless of whether you need a short-term fix or a more long-term one for your storage problem. Decorative molding or trim. Decorative molding or trim is a terrific alternative to consider if you want to hide it or give the room a fresh appearance. However, as there is such a wide variety of materials and styles to choose from, you should have no trouble finding something that meets your requirements. Wood, metal, and plastic are the most common materials used to construct ornamental molding and trim. Wood is a classic and well-liked material. However, metal and plastic quickly overtake its market share since they are less difficult to maintain and seem more contemporary. You can choose from a wide range of forms and dimensions, which ensures that you can locate anything that will work flawlessly in your kitchen. Adding decorative molding or trim to your kitchen is a fantastic way to modernize the space without investing significant money. Paints. You can hide the vent pipe in the kitchen with several different kinds of interior paint, any of which you can employ. Some individuals favor traditional paint because it is simple to apply and maintains a polished appearance. Spray paint is one example of a remedy that some people may want to utilize because of its more transitory nature. However, no matter what you decide, it is imperative that you choose the appropriate paint for the task at hand. Bulkhead. Bulkhead panels are a common practice for covering vent pipes in a kitchen. Wood, plastic, and metal are just a few elements that go into constructing these items. However, there is a possibility that the bulkheads can develop problems that would disrupt the operation of the vent system. The following are some of the most significant issues with bulkheads. Bulkheads have the potential to obstruct the passage of air in the kitchen. This may result in the musty air, stale food aromas, and increased humidity levels. Bulkheads can prevent access to the vent pipe system, which makes cleaning it more difficult. The possibility exists that water or other potentially hazardous substances might enter the kitchen if the bulkhead panel develops a leak or breaks. With this, we end our video here. Like, subscribe and ring the notification bell for more buying guides and information across various kinds of products from Buy One Get One.